Welcome to this technical guide on the 18628. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your device is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This common issue can arise from various factors, such as insufficient memory, a failing hard drive, or outdated software. If you don't address this problem promptly, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, tweezers, and a new hard drive or memory module, depending on the diagnosis. To start, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can be small and easy to lose. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Now that you've accessed the internals, locate the hard drive or memory module. It's usually situated near the center of the device. If you're not sure, refer to your device's manual for guidance. To extract the failing component, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, being cautious not to pull on them too hard. Once detached, remove the screws holding the component in place. Remember, these screws are often different sizes, so take care to note where each one belongs. Carefully lift out the old hard drive or memory module. When inserting the new component, align it properly and ensure it sits snugly in its slot. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once everything is reassembled, power on your device to check that it's running smoothly. If it starts up quickly and responds well, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from returning, ensure you regularly clear out unnecessary files and keep your software up to date. Consider investing in additional memory if you frequently multitask or run demanding applications. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.